Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another favorites video. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys have had an amazing November. I really feel like we just skipped it. Like, where the heck did it go? It was just October and now it's Christmas and I'm delighted about it. I'm so excited. I'm in a very good mood today. My favorites videos have really turned into like really random hodgepodges, is that the right word? Mixes of things, and I love it. I love filming these. I really like sharing with you guys monthly things I love. Sometimes I do them a couple times a week on Instagram, my Friday faves. I used to be much better about them. But when I can throw them together, I do like a Friday faves over on my Instagram stories, which you guys love and I love doing. But I do still love to have a good old sit down and chat of the things that are my favorites. I'm so paranoid my camera's out of focus because the last video I put up, it was being a bitch and now I'm nervous. So focus on me. Only me, please. Thank you. I have a home decor fave, which is actually a DIY that I'm going to supply all the things you need for it in the links. It was so easy and fun. Some clothes, baby stuff, which I'll save for the end in case you're not into that, some nail polish, my new favorite hand soap. So let's just go ahead and get into the faves. Well, first of all, things I'm wearing, which we'll start, I have a dress to share from Old Navy, which this shirt is also from Old Navy. I'm obsessed with it. Look at this little guy. You guys know I love anything with a face, especially like a retro face. And I just fell in love with him. He reminds me of Miss Minutes from the very weird Loki show on Disney Plus. Did anybody else think that was weird? I also watched it very pregnant. I pretty much hated everything that I watched when I was pregnant, honestly. I need to give some things a second shot, but that was a very weird show to me. But anyway, that's what that reminds me of. But it just says jolly and bright, so cute. Milo actually has a matching onesie, which I was gonna bring to show you, but it's dirty. It's actually in the washer right now. But so we're matching and we wore them the other day and Bradley was like, where's mine? I was like, okay, I'll order you one. But I have to wait for my super cash. You guys know how I am with my Old Navy super cash. Take it very seriously. But speaking of Old Navy, I wanted to mention this dress. I've mentioned it 1,000 times. This is the little black dress that I wore to my dad's Radio Hall of Fame function in Chicago. It is so cute. I find it very flattering. I love the, like, it has flutter sleeves. I think that's even what the dress is called, like flutter sleeve, whatever. I find it very flattering in the boob part. It's very flattering if you have curves, if you have an ass like me. If you're like more of like an hourglass shape, like something about this waist, just look, it's kind of like a drop waist, but it's not so baggy. It's really cute. It has pockets and there are a few colors left. I have this print and then I also have a really pretty green floral kind of print. I don't know if that one is still available. This one, the last time I linked it was, but they also have a couple other colors, so I'll link whatever I can find down below. But it's a really good like staple basics dress. You cannot see what it looks like. I'll put a picture of somebody wearing it so you can see. But it's very cute, very flattering, very affordable. You guys know I love Old Navy. Probably not, but it feels like it's made out of like a soft linen material. Did I already say it has pockets? Because that is incredible. But yeah, I just, before this goes away forever, I wanted to mention it again in this favorites video so you can get your hands on it if you want it. And then also, I haven't been able to shut up about my hair clips, but now I have to, because they're sold out online. They were on my list of faves for this month. I got them from Anthropologie, but they were on sale. And then for Black Friday, the sale stuff went on sale for half off of the sale price. So these flew, they were gone. I actually had some home decor I wanted to mention from them as well, but also sold out. But I found these in store. So check your store, check the sale room. They always have so many good hair items in the sale room. I've gotten so many of my favorite headbands on sale in the sale room at Anthropologie. So if you are into these clips, check the store. It comes in a set of 6. I love them. I love the way they look. I love how long they are. And I love that they actually hold my hair in place. I have some clips where it's falling out all day. This keeps it in place and I love it. I usually start with nail polish, but we didn't today, but I actually have 2 to share. Both of these are from the OPI Fall collection, Fall Wonders, I think that's what it's called. I don't think I've tried a single polish from that collection that I haven't loved. Like, it is such a good collection. There was the honey mustard color, there was the brown color. Although I was kind of dying to get into the holiday collection because they did send me the whole thing and it is so beautiful. So many fun, like sparkly, glittery colors. I was dying to try these 2 before getting into all the holiday stuff. So this one is called Clay Dreaming. This, you guys, is freaking stunning. It is just kind of like a deep mauve almost. It's a purpley gray taupe that's just much more on the purple sides. Mauve to me is like pink or purple mixed with gray, like it's not quite taupe. And it's just like a deep, more on the purple side mauve, and it was the most stunning nail polish. A beautiful formula. You guys know I don't paint my nails myself, but I do pay attention while she's painting them, and sometimes we do 3 coats of thinner polishes. I think all of these we've only needed 2 coats, and they've just been so beautiful. Somebody commented on one of my videos saying like, I knew instantly you were wearing Clay Dreaming when I saw this video. It's just so unique and so beautiful, and mwah. And then I might be equally as obsessed with this dark blue. This is the Infinite Shine. Sometimes, full disclosure, OPI, that barely came out of my mouth. Full disclosure. OPI sends me their collections, and I am beyond grateful. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that's like my ultimate dream come true. And sometimes when they send me half the Infinite Shine line, half the regular line, which I actually really like because I do like both formulas. So the Infinite Shine is a 3-step system. It comes with a base coat, the color, and then the top coat. It doesn't come with it, but you understand. It's supposed to be a 3-set system that kind of sets more like a very shiny gel that lasts a little bit longer, that doesn't require like a light to cure it. So I'm always paying attention to see if they last longer on my nails. Most of the time I want to say no, that it just lasts the same amount. I'm also like, I have a baby, I'm constantly doing dishes, I'm in the yard, like I'm constantly using my hands. So I feel like it's not very fair. However, the shine on the Infinite Shine ones really is there. So whatever. Anyway, so this is the Infinite Shine formula. It comes in both formulas, but it is the most beautiful. Like, it's dark blue, but, and I always say this, sometimes you have like a dark purple or a dark blue that it's like, oh, is that black? But it's blue in certain lines. But this is like a noticeable dark blue, and it is so beautiful. Again, only needed 2 coats to be completely like, just like lusciously opaque. I was like, Amy, you should really get a Christmassy color on your nails for the first week of December, but I just had to have this dark blue. So 0 regrets, it's stunning. I haven't even said what it's called. It's called Midnight Mantra, again from that fall collection. There's so many that I want to fit in from the holiday collection. Ever since having the baby, I get my nails done probably half as often as I did. My trick is I will get my nails done, and then when they chip, I will kind of give myself kind of like a touch-up manicure. Up close it does not look good, but for like filming it's totally fine. And so I go every other week now. Before I used to go once a week, get my nails done, but it's just harder to do that. But I kind of want to carve out the time in December to do it because there's just so many fun glitter shades that I need to try. So stay tuned for that. A couple of beauty related ones. You guys, I am loving this. This is the Laneige Peppermint Lip Sleeping Mask. I went to Sephora to get this. I'm just gonna put some on. I went in October because I also wanted my birthday gift, which I got the Amica one, if you were wondering. But I went to check this out, and it was the last one in store, and I was so excited about it. I love Laneige products. You guys know that. I love their sleeping masks. I have the gummy bear one, and I have just the original one, which I think is like berry, vanilla, something? I don't know. My very favorite product from them, though, is their Lip Glowy Blonde. I cannot speak today. Their Lip Glowy Balm in the peach shade. I love them because the formulas feel incredible. They're not sticky, they're nice and moisturizing. But something fun that I love about them is they give a slight tint to your lips depending on what the color is. So the peach one that I love gives a little bit of an orange tint, which just with, you guys know I'm in an orange blush obsession, it just kind of mixes nicely with that. This one is white, so it kind of like gives your lips a little bit of like a pale, frosted wintry look, and I really enjoy it. Something else I love about the Laneige products is they are scented or flavored or whatever, but it's nothing too harsh. I can get really just like weird about lip products if I can taste it a lot or it's getting in my mouth, but especially this with the peppermint, like you feel the cooling tingle on your lips, you can taste a little bit of it, it smells really good. Beautiful packaging in this like little red ombre jar. My laundry is done. Spoiler alert, this will be in my gift guide because I think it's a lovely stocking stuffer. I just think it's nice for like the winter months to gift peppermint scented things. It's just fun. So this is a limited edition. Pick it up. Because while it is wintry, peppermint is nice all year round, and this will take me forever to go through. Even though it's kind of glossy, Bradley's been wearing it too because poor Bradley works at an ice rink, so it's cold and dry in there, and he is just so dry. His lips, his hands, his face, and so I'm constantly just moisturizing him. And so he wears this too, and we both love it. This, I regret not buying 40 of. This is the Trader Joe's Pomegranate Scented Castile Hand Soap. I don't even know what Castile soap is. I know it's like a thing, like, you know, like I know about it, the Dr. Bronner's or whatever Castile soap. It's like more concentrated or something. I don't know. I mostly just saw this on the new section at Trader Joe's, and I was gonna buy two because it smells so good. And it smells, to me, which Bradley kind of pinpointed, and he was kind of on the right track for me. Okay. It smells like gummy bears, which that might be off-putting, but it smells like fancy, rich people gummy bears. I don't even know what I mean by that. To me, honestly, and I live my entire life in search of. One of my favorite things to do is look at BuzzFeed articles or whatever articles they may be of like nostalgic 90s things, and one of my favorite ones was like food that has been discontinued that you forgot about. I think about these all the time. Tell me if you're with me. I think they're Betty Crocker. The shark gummies. That taste I will forever be searching for. And I think I've come close to finding it in the Trader Joe's Scandinavian swimmers. It's like their knockoffs of Swedish fish. The blue ones, the dolphins. To me, it tastes like that. And this smells like those gummies. It just makes me happy. It smells so good. It's not drying on your hands. It's really nice. It's like nice and bright for the wintry season. It's a nice change up from like pine or peppermint. It is so, so good. And I was just downstairs when I was getting it, and I thought to myself like, oh, I need to buy so many more. But I just realized that we went to Trader Joe's a couple of days ago and I didn't see it, because if I saw it, I would have put more in the cart, and it wasn't there. So hopefully they restock. Check yours. If it's there, buy it immediately. It has really beautiful like gold foiled lettering on it. It's a really nice little bottle also. It's cute. Would also make a great gift, I think. Slap that in a stocking. Okay, now I'm so excited about this. This is my I'm trying not to break it because it is delicate. My home decor fave that I actually made myself. Look at this little frame. I almost said wreath. It's not a wreath, it's a frame. So I saw on Instagram, I believe their page is called My Four Wonders, something about Four Wonders. They posted how to make this and I was obsessed with it. So I placed a Target order. All this stuff is from Target. A pickup order, I picked it up and I made it and I had so much fun. I did it on a Sunday afternoon while I watched Easy A on the TV, and I just had a delightful time. So the frame itself is just this like wooden frame. It was $5. And then originally I thought I would only need 2 packs of these little bulbs, but I ended up needing 3. So originally I thought the DIY would cost $11, but then I had to add on 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's a $14 DIY. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive, and it does pack a punch. I obviously need to get a frame or a picture to put in it, but I am so delighted with this. And you don't have to do rainbow. You could do, I'll link the Target. These are the 1-inch ornament bulbs. I'll link them down below. They're from Wonder Shop. They're $3 a pack, and they have so many different colorways. I got the brights and the blush one, I believe. So, and to make it, I just used a hot glue gun. I did film a little reels on it. I will have that up probably in a couple of days after you're seeing this. I'll try to get that together and up. So definitely follow me on Instagram. It's at @AmyLynnButchin. Lots of festive reels coming your way. But yeah, hot glue gun, the frame, the bulbs, an afternoon of fun, and it's just so cute. I have it up on our little shelves in the living room, and I just get so happy looking at it. So I definitely wanted to share because I feel like it's not often I can like do a DIY and link everything exactly that I used, but I can. And I was able to like pick it up. I didn't have to get out of my car. I just picked it up from the drive-up section of my Target. So if you're into it, check the links. Just so cute, and also would make an incredible gift. Like a grandma gift, put a picture of the child in there, bam, you're welcome. Okay, and then lastly I have some baby favorites. I always do these in the end in case you're not into children. That sounds weird. But in case this doesn't interest you, I leave these to the end. So if it doesn't, thank you for watching, love you. But if it does, I have a couple of things. The first one is sadly falling apart because my son is so rough. But I've talked about these books 1,000 times between here and on Instagram. This is the Babies Love series of books, but this one is Babies Love Christmas. So basically these are lift to flap books. They're super simple and easy. It's a board book, and then it has these flaps that they can lift. Usually they're like either to the side or down. This one's all the same. But he freaking loves them. This is our 4th one now. Somebody got us the Halloween one, I think for my baby shower. So he had it his whole life and he discovered it and he loved it. And so now we have Babies Love Colors, Babies Love Numbers, and then I saw Babies Love Christmas, so I had to get it. So cute. It was like $6 on Amazon. Will fall apart a little bit if your son is too rough with it. Maybe I can fix it. And it of course ends on Santa Claus, and I'm trying to like hype up the excitement of Santa. But I read this to him at least 20 times a day, so super fun. But if you have a baby or a baby in your life that you want to gift a little Christmas book to this one is perfect. He is obsessed with lifting the flaps. My niece, she's just about the same age. They're 9 weeks apart. She's obsessed with these two. They love the flaps and the colors and all that. And then another Old Navy favorite, I literally cannot get enough of this little waffle set for babies. So this is the pink mauve color. This one, the last time I checked, was still available online, but it came in mauve, an olive green, which I haven't purchased yet, but I would not be surprised if I do, and then this incredible, they call it gold, but it's more of like a mustard color. But they're so soft, they're so comfy. They're still a little bit big on him, so for now, he takes swim lessons. I dress him in his swimsuit like for the ride there, but it's cold, so I bundle him up with these, and it's just, we always joke that he's like a little swim meet star and he's like wearing his little outfit. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like he's a real athlete. But they're just so cute. I love waffle knit anything, and give me a matching set for my son and I'm all in. So it's super cute, warm, comfy, and also even if it's not a matching set, we use these sweaters all the time. They're just nice and neutral. They have the buttons, which is nice to like open it up a little bit, and I just love them. I was gonna say the yellow's my favorite. I don't know. I love them both, but absolutely love and wanted to mention if you want to get one for your baby. They also come in like toddler sizes too. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I do these every single month. I have a whole playlist. I can link it up in the corner. I try really hard not to miss months because I love doing these videos and I'm always upset when I don't. I'm like, oh man, I have to wait till next month to tell them about that. I will have everything I can link linked down below. Come back to my channel tomorrow for the first like Christmas video. And yeah, I'll have my face somewhere you can subscribe, as well as some videos that you may have missed or you may enjoy. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited for the next month of videos and reels and all the content, the vlogmases. I'm just pumped. So I will see you guys back here soon. I hope you have a great day and I'll talk to you later.